Hey there wonderful viewers, welcome back to our channel, Spring in Our Park.
Today we're going to be taking you on this exciting journey to the most mesmerizing 7 wonders of the world called Chichen Itza.
That's right, during our stay in Tulum, we couldn't miss the chance of visiting the iconic archaeological site of Chichen Itza. It's just 2.5 hours away from Tulum and making it a perfect one-day trip destination. As we entered the site of Chichen Itza, we were in awe of the grandeur and historical significance surrounding us. The imposing step pyramid known as El Castillo or the Temple of Kulkul Khan stood before us majestically. It's incredible to see how the Mayans built such a precise and stunning structure, aligning it with astronomical events like the equinox, creating an astonishing shadow serpent effect during specific times of the year.
Luckily, we had a good guide with us and we took the most time in exploring each and every part of Chichen Itza, which took us almost 2.5 hours, exploring places like Temple of the Warriors, the Sacred Cenote, the Great Wall Court. Each place had its own unique story and it was
Historical importance.
So now I'm going to tell you about what all you need to pack for Chichen Itza. It can get very hot, and therefore first and the most important thing is sunscreen. You need to wear sunscreen. Carry a lot of water with you because you're going to be on your feet and you will not get water around, so you need to have enough water for yourself. A hat to protect from sun, and if you carry an umbrella it's good because the weather is getting unpredictable and it can rain and it's hot, so umbrella can protect you from the heat and rain.
Indeed, Radhika. Exploring an ancient city can be quite exhausting, but I think it's worth every step.
Oh, and I forgot about one more thing. There was a tree that we identified in Chichen Itza which kind of had cotton balls on it, and it is known for the eye made on the tree. That tree is known to connect the gods.
Underworld with the heavens.
Yes. So for Chichen Itza, there are 2 types of passes. One is where the only Chichen Itza is there, where you can explore Chichen Itza. In the other pass, there's also a Keel Cenote, and we realized that it's very crowded, and I think there are a lot of other cenotes which are very good, which we talked about in our previous videos. So go check it out. Let us know if you want to know anything about the cenotes, and we'll be there to help you.
Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.
Do like, share and subscribe.
Bye. This is my movie personality.
Really? I knew it.
Alright, I did my line in one take. I'm good at
Wow, good boy, good boy.
Next.
Awe of the grandeur and
It is.
Can you do this indeed properly, just like normally, not like
Shut up.
intimidating, like indeed Radhika, just like normally.
Indeed.
And please,
Indeed, Radhika.
not like, come on.